Hey, are you kind? Are you that character that is kind? You can't see fresh. Are you that character that is kind? When how would you classify yourself?
Alright. Recently there was something social media we trend about to Scott Mapuma. Ali Yengi himself the audience. I'm not that kind of person.
So now I ranking in terms of how you deal with people.
Yeah, I'm not that kind of person. Me, I'm a friend to everyone.
But I feel it's too long. I'm saying to speed.
Not as such that. Maybe kulabanye abantu ababedeserve ukuzifila kwami that part. Yabona,
there's always someone deserving.
Ipart ina le nothi awuzambuluzeni. Benguzaba labanye abantu. I want to know man. Umuntu lo sisuka sonke from the crowd.
So labana banjalo uyabe wayenzani like
you were saying about negative people that negative people who give negative charge. What too many stories in the vet history since in Kadisi industry music. And asked billion times, trillion times, I don't know.
What you tell me about nigga $1. Umuntu othi hayi into levela ayila mali phakathi. Ngabe kade sina ngiside. Ngabe nje imali ka Goldad. Ngabe ngichaye chopper.
Yeah.
When say take airtime from a China. You understand my point? So I get you where you're coming from, but I feel like you deserve it. And then there are those people that was actually neutral now because you don't really know how to do it.
Yeah.
So when it comes to industry, you get a lot of smiles. Amanye abungakwazi ukuthi umuntu lo uyamfila genuinely or what? How do you see past that?
Yeah, that's a deep question. But it's easy to know what this is a fake smile. You know what I'm saying? It is a dog smile. It dog smile is nice. It is so having a funny smile. You know what I'm talking about? There abantu bonti no lights, no kumbuzi bani. Nothing at the industry. Really, why you not come a bit? Now same bambe this trophy. City, hey, what no one wants to give me hugs and stuff to congratulate me.
Njengamabhebi mfana mzalimani.
Uzalimana ngamankazana. Ngiyacela mfana. Ungawi my boy.
Bambele.
Ngoba sikhulu lesiyana isilingo. So how is it like as umfana omncane ohlabelayo as umfana omncane ole talent like you amankazana how are you handling the publicity like because I've walked the streets now lapha somebody yes Ricky you know I know that attention oyitholayo somehow how do you deal with that?
Yeah, inale indaba inale yahlupha steering kanti kule certain step standard engafika kiso so anti so that abantu bazibe to recognize the bar because izinto bazongathi yes Rika just greet you I don't focus too much phezu kwakho because mina ngokwami something say this nigga is crazy because most of this time I spend singing music and reading my dictionary. I read the dictionary. I wanna investing amanye amabala so mdala. Dangerous.
English waphumalayo kodwa.
English asazakho mdala. Uphuma lo C.
After dictionary reading.
So
I'm a phrases. So how does your mom take it now? Come by Yes, Ricky. That thing now hamba lo mama ko you with your parents because yayenzakala mostly like into hamba labazali. Hello. How do you take it like ngabe ukhangela bona bakubona njani?
Very sometimes I don't think ukuthi bafuze bazonto nje wathi like these days and I that one says to me. So umntana ngebekelelwa amankazana yaba happy ukuthi at least umntana nami kanjani awela ngeside la left ethi yakho la into yenzakala mfethu ukuthi hayi umntwana kathi kawela ngesayidini
othi kuyathi kudlula umntwana omdala afake ikhomenti alokhu ku-radio. Sometimes I wish I had that intimate relationship with abazali, which you can just open up on anything. But it's just hard being a boy. It's hard being a young man or khulayo siya into manhood. Yini mdala esitshintshile osubona ukuthi for now I cannot say I'm that young Ricky that I used to be. What growth do you feel like
in terms of music industry?
In terms of you?
No, in terms of me. What I tell, many things has changed in the many things has changed. Character wise, lenye character kuda so ngosala usamncane and lenye character yakusuda njani ayisubona ukuthi so character yani ngangila qala character yokuthi tshona ukudlala kuphela and stuff but there is a stage in so it's a crucial stage because right now is where I cook the future lapho esipheka khona ifuture yangikhona.
So how is that affecting your music? Like effect on your music, how big is ukukhula kwakho?
Sometimes ukukhula kwami le music yami akuaffect it's fine because ngathi
kulamanye amabhazi wachayayo and I'm like umfana ehlabela lo wahlala umfazi. I want to enjoy. Like there's some deep things that you say and I'm like wow, this boy, like this young man cannot. So how do you get to that? Like how do you tap in that?
Alright, I'm a buzz. Let's say I'll be singing a love song and
Lights Out Snacks.
Yeah.
Live on set.
Usakhuluma in terms of amabhazi.
Ngizithi mina amabhaza. Amasamsalam mnandi kakhulu. Ngizithi mina amabhazi. Kulama amabhazi uthi lese ngibenziwe ngihlabela love song. Mina into eyangicedayo i-acting njawami. Amfuqa mamanga. I-acting
samsali mnandi lena nkosi yami.
I-acting yamba kwenye level different. Because kulento okuthiwa imagination ku-acting. I don't think so sometimes you'll be imagining enye into and then you're going to see further through amabhasi and then what
so I'm like that fast totally well incane love unempondo usakhuluma
khuluma mdala nasizini
Suyichansi yakhe. You've done your part.
Now the party ama easy snacks right lights out inamba lizayibona inamba right uzayifaka inamba lizayibona eyama samosa the freshest the nicest
very delicious.
Imoja zi-advertise sebengazipandukile
Abantu basizama abantu bemuthi nje zonke chipileyo nje.
bese sithi siyalama. So as I was saying how are you managing the music and academics, because I believe you're also doing a course on
digital electronics.
So how do you balance it? Like abanye basesikolo karesi kulabanye abafundayo and they have made talent yokuhlabela but they don't know how to ukuthi bakufake njani esikalini okuyinto kwangikhona ngoba endlini ungangani usufocus on music sokuqhawe sabani ungangani usufocus more on the books, you feel like you're losing a part of yourself. So how do you adjust to all of that?
Okay, I gave myself a rule, and this rule, my father used to tell me this rule, that yonke into yenzayo, if you are eating, eat hard. If you are running, run, gijima. Right now, I'm saying gijima. if you are doing music, Ricky do music.
But ufana mirule yakho le nxa usukhulile ungayi-apply kwezinye indawo mfana.
Sakulimazisa ngoba qalisa ukunatha uzanatha hayi.
Wena.
Ungaqalisa uku-engage uza-engage hard. Kanti ufika abo-45 years uyabe usuqhuqa. Sibulawa yi-dementia.
Yabe usuqoqa njani?
Ungasazazi lebizo. I feel like we can go as hard as we can about going at our dreams and all that, but also expect ukuthi the worst could happen.
Yeah.
I've seen people get deals. It's actually deal. Umelayeli sayina, kwenzakale something, the next thing is gone.
Yes.
I've seen people ubona ukuthi lo yali deserve award. The moment they figure khona phana banike the other person.
Yes.
And then now you're like, how is that even possible? So I feel like my principles lawana I will go hard. Kumele abe nenye go slow eceleni just in case.
Yeah, it goes to observation to observe what's going on.
Observe what's going on.
Yeah.
Learn from it, ufunde from it, because there's so much that you're still yet to learn, not only ngomhlaba or the music, but ngawe as a man, your role as a man emhlabeni. Because I feel like most abafana abancane abaningi we do not know our roles as men in this world. It's to protect, to provide, to care. You understand? These are the fundamentals omele siwafunde ukuthi kusasa lethu lathi libe ngcono. Yeah, izinto engitshoyo kodwa lights out.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? So I feel like when ungasebenza more member yami, uNkulunkulu uzakukhanyisela definitely. Noma kuthiwa bayaloya. So are you dating? Come by in the Mjolo network. Are you seeing anyone? Is anyone seeing you?
Big number.
Are you seeing? Or are you seeing? Or are you seeing?
Alright, hey, your question is kind of critical, right? But at the moment, right now he's building it on. At the moment.
It's not like a police.
At the moment he's mailing it on. At the moment artists.
But vela amaphepha ungajahi.
Amankazana beya le problem. Amankazana inkinga. Njengoba nokulayinda inkinga.
Ngoba wathi ubuye emaningi
Yakini Ricky. So it's a very slumpy road, and okunzima ukuthi when if you were to engage like if you were to see someone, what are the qualities ikhanyelayo?
Alright, qualities. Sometimes I first check indlela agqoke ngayo.
Uzalimala. Uzalimala boy. Uzalimala heavy boy.
Siyalethi umhlukhele bunda.
Hayi indlela agqoke ngayo. Indlela agqoke ngayo vele yahlinzeka.
Uzobukhimatha boy. Yakwazi sungathola ucheri ogqoka afani because of lapha vela khona kunormal khona but elenhliziyo eshapa uthole umntwana ukuchayela isigqoko esifika la enqagaleni but ungathi send me a video uthumezele enye video ukuzivuthi umntwana lo practice nini etshone church practice nini etshone church. So I'm just saying like looks deceive. Looks
deceives.
Yeah, understand that really. So what else?
Character I also hate character because the character vele yinto vele ngithila ngayo. Character umuntu entila la I don't rush. I'm not that kind of person who rush things. Uthi konza that patient pays when zamani start kuchipata. I know what I'm talking about. Yeah.
So T-Cones is also one of your inspirations.
T-Cones is hip hop. I pick up to T-Cones.
You pick up to T-Cones.
T-Cones,
So
yes.
who else inspires you?
Alright, let me start my first inspiration. And before I started singing songs, I started singing when I was 5 years old. Even Senko can witness it. You know, Senko. Yeah, mas. So Winky D.
Shout out Senko.
Isaiah. Winky D. Winky D, Gafa.
Yeah.
Like Winky D inspires me very much. Winky D, I character kitchen. The mama character I wanna go sim dance sola. Sometimes Winky D cannot tell you that I is him dance soul artist. Because I can mama sim dance soul artist. I wanna go in that.
So uyakuchaza into enadani yokuthi is so private in life like is that what you want for you also?
Yeah, I think that's very good. Like sometimes you know izinto ezipostwa ama celebrities no like for me la kupost usidisitshwana uvuke kuseni uxubha amazinyo like izinto is not unnecessary. Mina into abengifuna ukuyenza ukuthi I deliver into edingakalayo and nxa abantu bengazi musician ngifambisa product emusic nxa kule nto emfuze ngiyimarket ngifambisa into engiyimarketayo not ukuthi uthiwa sengideliver izinto ezanecessary like yikho ufuna sukhiphana lamanuthu njabo.
Okay, so religious wise, what do you believe in?
Christianity. I believe in God.
I believe you're SDA.
Yes, of course. I mean, it's
Sabata
God.
It's on the pork.
Yes.
Elenzani pork. Yeah. Okay. So, how does that affect your music? Do you get some criticism?
Criticism sengayithola anti because of course vele abantu always talk let into yankulu but mina I have one rule. Sometimes relationship yami lo nkulunkulu I like the really church let into yankulu.
Okay.
Ichurch yokuthi ngiyofunda more but mina I can also pray at home. uNkulunkulu answer my prayers ami ngiphume njani ngihambe angithi but ichurch siyafunda more about what iBible. There's a church and landanga abantu landu uNkulunkulu
relationship between
so mina hambe church ngithi ndandu kuzochaza uzibani that would be a problem. Angisakhonzi uNkulunkulu sengikhonza ichurch ukuthi yona ithini.
That's very rich coming from umfana omncane like kuhle ukuthi sala abafana abasacabanga njalo ngoba singakhayela karesi siphila isikhathi sama-drugs. Abafana abaningi they are so infested in drugs kunzima out there. So what message or what do you think can be done ukwehlisa isitshazi le yama-drugs?
Alright, isitshazi lama-drug sengabona into eziningi. People they were doing drugs campaign what into eziningi ezitshiyatshiyeneyo and but sometimes in life Nkosi I can tell you ukuthi Nkosi khipha ama-glass kodwa akutshela i-choice isisalele kuba ukuthi uzakhipha umbuzo wachiye njani ekhona lapha khona. So ama-drugs wena ngokwakho ungumuntu personal bezi zinto ezipersonal ukuthi wena ngokwakho sokuyi-decision yakho. People they are trying nawe nxa ukhangele so what do you see abantu bahambisa ku-rehab ukuthi uhambe ku-rehab usuphenduka you are now doing the same thing awusazicontrol. Kunezinye extent yokuthi umuntu yabe lokhu yenza more esuka ku-rehab se-times 7 ukuthi kade njani lapha.
So what do you think ingayenzwa ukuthi sincede ama-youth lawa out there who are still engaging drugs?
I think if we continue ama-anti-drugs campaign teaching them kodwa umoya kaNkulunkulu asazi uzayihlela sikhathi bani betshintshe beguquke. But angazi because if I was a prophet I would produce a miracle to stop drugs but kumbe uNkulunkulu will produce but I'm not. So I'll do what is
so if like you were made the mayor or you're given the power to put one rule on drugs, what would you do?
Say no to drugs.
I put a rule. ukuthi ungatholakala njani what
siyatshaya kamnandi ngako ngoba bathola ama-drugs thatha lapho faka lapho jeri yisi slogan sabe sihamba
thatha lapho
faka lapho jeri uzakuchasisela because we need to stop this thing because it gives a bad inspiration to the young ones because wena nxa usutshaya ama-drugs umfana uzabona blind ispansula what then usulimaza umntwana omncane lwana so thatha lapho faka lapho jeri sesebenze ka-president.
Okay, I feel like we spoke about so many things.
Yeah.
No, Ricky, we spoke about so many things and umuntu osekhaya, umuntu overseas, umuntu osegoli, umuntu ongaphi. I think whenever they come across this video, bazabakwazi ukuthi kule ntwana kuthiwa Ricky.
Yeah.
Okushayo and he's a dedicated young person. Who's gonna take his music out there to the world. It's something esikhangeleleyo from abantu abatsha. So yeah, it's been an honor. It's been great ukuthi ngibe lawe as a kid, as Lokshin Arts Hub. Shout out to Lights Out, he's behind the camp today. Chama Smile.
Alright, before Nchai Beat, can I tell people something?
Yes.
You can check Ricky Ice on Instagram, Ricky Ice Music. You can check for YouTube or Ricky Ice Music, TikTok, Ricky Ice Music. Yonke indawo Ricky Ice Music. Uzanthola khona pha. So uzabona into ezinye. So mana sibonga ukuthi beat mbijana, sibona ukuthi senza njani.
So like I say, it's the Lokshin Arts Hub movement. You never know with us. Sakuduma.
Bluetooth mode.
Ndakanoka maswitsi kunge star brand Ricky aisira tova brand andisi uya wekupfira jendi but pamaniriki nini zvako ndiri jeki nogona baya vanhu kuita kunge niki topedza toitoita mixa nemingi chigoma chinotapiwa fanika dzingi mabhebi wosmaila wabudisa madhinku chigoma chichinyemwerera kunge riki ndinogara zvangu ndiri pamiki ndichiita kutobaya vanhu kunge niki nawana dem ndikati handichatembeki avasangitembi ukabvunza nyange iye futi tembi aitoziva kuti ninge iye ngwambi mangoma ndinorova saka pamwe avajambi ndichipedza hopoma sports ipapo zvangu ndakapfekawo shot nenge ndiri popo ndichifamba samutodzi kana mukationa futi ndobva ndati nini musafe mandipedza nekuti handizi mpedza nhamo ndakaipa kunge Leonard Dembo shout kunema edozi egeto ndopigawo wangu Nkosi King vane dzungu tovaminyesa maorange zvangu ndichibata ndiri musirinji ngoma dzangu ndichipedza handiti shout kuna Lights Out isu tinovapa mafaiti takarova ngoma zviri taiti tikatoita mabrand ambassador vamwe vachitoda kuti siyane mubhata but pamangoma susuriki tovadheta vanotondikeita kuti ndindotibreta mangoma tinobata saka tinovadheta listen ndiri kauchanta ndakatrena kunge kumfu panta Lights Out isusu tovadhanda freestyle mangoma tovapedza handisina yekutamba nayo handisina yekutamba nayo kumari handine kutamba nayo ndipo 1 rand yekutamba nayo handisina yekutamba nayo handisina yekutamba nayo handisina yekutamba nayo ndipo 2 rand yekutamba nayo geto ndo respecta geto ngoma randobata rinobvira rine moto waona mangoma ndichibata zvo ipapo nobva ndati inini atipe tanzi susu
Lokshin
Manakuta Kinte.
One of a kind. Represent.
Ricky Ice Ramo. Why you work with
Fire. Moto. This is a moto.
Oi, mabaza, foi. Aí,